I when you watch me perform, you see some traits in me. Just that, my Fante background led me into deep high life music.
Wow.
The likes of Western Diamonds, the likes of A.B. Quentin, Mr. Simons, name them, the Fante high lifers. You know, Ben Braco and all those people. They inspired me a lot to do high life. Omuntina upon Bibia, it's a different style, but people know me for high life.
Because
action.
Yo, any anomaly adofo ne obibia ohwe Nana Kwasi TV mama kwa abadeba Nana Kwasi TV yeka se nyame hwamo ye dwumadi ya de bremu abrebi na abrini na exclusive interview with achievers na nso nyame ya adoma de se dwumadi bremu ye damo ase mo amoboaye mo amaboaye ama Nana Kwasi TV abedu pepeso yeka se nyame hwamo na onya mo kase mu ni ho a yenso ye ni ho na afi na wo hwe ye dwumadi ni bia e wo Nana Kwasi TV a na ye programs no pese unya dodro mo na ahwa no subscribe to our YouTube channel ubi notification bell on so with your programs ahoro no ma comments no adoso ene eyamenyonyam share kese pa semi nimi nwa be ma be the whole eastern region ye ka obi a vocals ankasa okra boys a on ene mene ma be twetwe nkomo na ene be bia di dwumadie no e ba homeboy collections e wo Akimodan main station store number 23 e ho na ye di dwumadie no e de bremo etikoso enko ba bia twen na fa wani ne waso famie enkomo twetwe ne edi ne se ye ode na se ye na do comments so ato ase bibi chi wajen so a numbers na egu screen so no wafa na oni atwetwe nkomo me ya me di dwumadie ne bremo ye fem Nana Kwasi Acquah a ye twa ye ho aba ye ba ye de ho ne beto amoso. Anyuanum ni adofo ni mabusuafo no mesama makwaba biem e ba Nana Kwasi TV exclusive interview with the achievers na nyame ya adom aye de say dwumadie no ebrem se na me kona me kache mu se na me nimi nwa be ma bi the whole eastern region obia ni ho eba otonyum ye pa me ne ye brother Ekow Marvels ene na me ne ba twitwen komo na ye nwa be ma no ye try say odamai Ghana ma ye na ye support ye de beboa ye brother no na ne wa ba be kamensa na me ye mani ahwa ni mani je se metimi anya no e wo menchen ne ba be twetwe nkomo na wa che the womb how to send your start in the music journey any pepenso anyame adom ode na ba bedru enti enko ba bia se na America na ma comment to drop comments no na fato page na se bebo modern ane akenkan e di amamo nyame hwia mo se mo koso a na mo support ye bra
yes sir
mo akwa ba
boko
bibia boko de hey na ifie abusuafo nya ho ye okay na me hu ache ye okay you be buy to busy na busy kidi se ko se you be mu kakra ba se anyoma ko se Nana Kwasi kakra okay so bi ehwe djubadie ni bia obeka se e bia mate Ekow Marvel like one Ekow Marvel like we ye hwan
okay
Ekow ne hwan
Ekow Marvel ye for the purpose of our conversation, we may highlight musician.
Okay.
We are based in Eastern region. I came down to be precise.
Wow.
And I'm also here, Juma, GS as a teacher.
Oh wow.
But then, I need probably breeding me and I say me
musician. Okay.
There's
a professional crowd side teacher.
Yeah.
Oh boy, Juma. Oh wow. Nyami shop. Say odisa djumadi iti uye chicheni a odi music how to send your matifati
very difficult because one say teaching ye djuma be demanding and music doing music professionally so and so highly demanding.
Okay.
And you know me the purpose is we will teaching mu because a person me impact life and kola no hold on you know I always squeeze time out of my busy schedules as a musician and I make time for my pupils as well. Okay. It's training me but me person me hand in hand.
Okay, you share music experience no in teaching no any music experience not to say.
To be frank, I have experience in music more than a teacher. I'm actually for 10 years. But being a musician, we started showing you what I think I was in basic 4 when I showed my first rap.
Okay.
So that was somewhere around 98, 99.
Hey, and I was seeing that.
But I started music music professionally. I started me promoting me as an artist. Yeah.
Okay.
We started 2012.
2012.
Last year, I mean, 10 years.
Oh wow. Why are they? And I was started 2012 up to 2023.
Yeah. But before then, I was doing music. But then, we say, rap.
Yeah. But I see how they too singing and gasa. Wow. Why are they? In music, experience and I watch channel say we started busy for. Then a more remu fully and kasa. When they push you into say, oh, this year I call like ubit me. I am music big time.
Okay, me and kasa no, odanha no. Ne dey me ba odanha teacher we me papa like na obehead St. Francis. Nti me sha no, na me acting ne asane those kind of things no ha. But then obi a mama feel back in the day na omo entertainment was St. Francis na me sha but na me kokoko share. So I saw that thing honor my passion started to develop it.
Wow.
So mini kakra no. In fact now because of academics near the identity now my family no more person me music nti me koshe boase kakra. Nti me back me be training college. You know one person that really inspired me Samini.
Wow.
Or Obia, when you see him perform, we cry, you get up and dance. Something will touch you.
Okay.
So I can say he was somebody that I started idolizing when I was in SHS. And when you watch me perform, you see some traits in me. Just that my Fante background led me into deep high life music.
Wow.
The likes of Western Diamonds, the likes of A.B. Crentel, Bessa Simons, name them the Fante high lifers. You know, Ben Braco and all those people. They inspired me a lot to do high life. Omuntina upon BBA, it's a different style, but people know me for high life.
Because of high life, they say the way I was starting, also I'm on standing in there more. I would say,
so we got that ambulate. Those people inspired my craft.
Wow.
But Obia, not me a rapper, but Obia, me switch it from rap to sing.
Wow.
Because I remember I was rapping until I heard one of his songs, and I learned the song and. After that, I decided I'll continue singing. Yeah.
Okay, it will be our my inspiration. Say, we change it for rap, ediba, high life singing. Samini, it is what meaning MET, Shia 101. I just say we be brother Samini, and I say, and I'm also maybe I see, and I say like what mean 101.
Truly, my share Samini on several occasions, but me too, I could grow and approaching. I remember, let's say, like 2015 or 16, I met him. We were in the same studio now, or more level 3, show me Winiba. Now I was on the bill, I make a performance. And Ono Samini was on together with Kofi Kinatam and myself and some other artists from Central Region. We were all in the room, like, room one, but I couldn't get the courage.
That's why you can say, I opportunity to see now.
There's one thing about me. I want to build myself and reach to a certain level.
Okay.
When I get to him, he already know my stuff already.
Okay.
So he'll be so sure that yes, this guy, I inspired him.
Okay. As I want to say, because I
I want to prove to him that he has inspired me.
Okay.
Until I was building me to some level B. Sana, Obama anymore, and I'm a con anymore. Say, oh yeah, yes, I saw you. Yes, this and that.
Okay. And community, the movie, the you share the eye, and then they come up and some are better. No, they relax. It is a sharp motivation if free in a buy, strong motivation if free in a buy. Like starting music if free nearby because most of the times we be beer sometimes I can't be we will be with me oh adia we me you know say but you will be a say nipa with your boy children if free nearby.
Okay, me mum there me number one supporter my mommy.
Wow.
Yeah, well, because I remember say she used to put me on the spot. Now we used to stay at Kumasi. And now me on a class every level be now me on a class until me do class 3. Mom say teacher. So sometimes a class is boring now. Me a lively person and Tibon say she'll put me on the spot. So Tonyo So I have to sing. So I started developing the skill
over there. Was Obi Ohana Busu form. Akwane to no kana mutwane ma. Ba wo de ma
she put me on. She always puts me on every time classroom there. So when we came to Oda, I remember I said the first thing not me in a class there, but no more some pay akolabia koye jingle for school program B. And she told them say they should come and pick me. And yekoye bibia obiak, and it was marvelous. And he Obi Ameka say inspire me and motivate me all the time.
Mama why are they on washe crime morning back to the music. If I say when your program, big program oko like we be away before and son work stage and son I be if I say afro program be even or down hand say because recently Kwame EG by me say so but they are not person say so no was because of time and yes it was some preparation before and son program no do
me de me say me will show to say behind there and up my sorry me will show in mirror me kind me a workout person say be as me nko gym me workout kakra and I say me ko jogging say me we are in my freshen up and then I go for a long walk. Sometimes me show biane the audience until me ko show I think about the audience that I'm going to meet. What do they want? Say boys me share freestyle me pe beater and the nature of the program be fun. And me I like engaging with the audience until I'll just arrange something that the audience can relate to. Then I just rehearse over it. Say be as a mini dance I be beko stage. You be final rehearsal before the day. Any arrangement I be show no so but on the day no but no yeah na long. Be as a band so a band there mostly we do the rehearsal before the day. And maybe a day before or 2 days before we do the arrangement and then we are good to go. After that, say I may do show so I am me very nervous. Minutes to my performance, I am me very nervous. So what I do is I just stay away from the crowd, fix my headset and earpiece, then I just memorize my lines again, and I listen to the songs that I am going to perform. And then I pray. That's all. But say I say a long performance, say I'm a bob band now, it will take me like an hour. And I'm a pen so be brave on the side.
Oh, Bobby found okay. Just energy there. Okay.
But there's one thing that I normally don't do before I perform. Say me taking in alcohol. If I have a performance, especially if I'm performing with a band, I don't take in alcohol. They mum say me now gonna
nice papa on to oh baby like it be no more call before and some
and there true. But me no once I a singer and alcohol no me nim de kakra me nim say e ma obi pico high and I we a singer so you need to be very specific about your breath control and all that. It sometimes me no yes e bia me no but intake ni excessive. Sometimes I am stressed mean that then I just take a better mama that's here. But before my performance day I don't want to be going to stage and so me no so na come
on I was saying okay in music or starting then pan a year would thing and I say my fire demo.
So many things. And easy. So say and you need a lot of support, especially finances. But me shall say label back up and assign me. Almost sign me tell me me send a couple of songs my head that I'm on. But I do some be investing in me no. They were pressurizing me say I should change my style. And it didn't go well with me and my big brother. My big brother na asked me move for a while until other guys came on board. They were forcing me to change my style, and we were saying say style no na odi hu me. Style na me no and odi hu me why invest this style me? Why you just be invested? You drove all the way from Accra to Oda to sign me. But it do say Faskashi mu wana yenye project no. You were pressurizing me say me some style. But me so me who say art you speak your emotions. I normally speak what I have inside me. So if you are still pressurizing me to change my style, I can't change the style. I can only modify it small. I can do it. But me who say it doesn't represent
the whole like how you spirit your person about one thing.
So they didn't tell me say no more dog me. I was signed to them. The project was supposed to last for 5 years. I was there doing nothing, meeting me, recording me, they send it like back and forth. I didn't hear from them. They cut communication with me until, and I had to wait for the contract to end before I release any song because the contract, if I'm still bound to the contractor, a bit to me release in your court case. So chairman,
only will be a contract, not contract.
One of the challenges I may share because all the things that you have seen.
Okay.
Majority na
they say we should not say music, we should not say someone you their own intimate.
No, boss you have your talent, you have done you need the networks, you need money.
Okay.
So you see sometimes Obibeka say what starting why you man say American I've spent 10 years of my life doing music. I have lost friends, I have lost respect amongst my family members because teach any hour 10 years there, they should see a couple of things going on. But because of the music, investment I've done in music, like it's more like you're not getting what and music so I've not gotten to where I want to go.
Okay.
Everybody like I've lost contact with so many people. Some people think I'm wasting my time, plus now I have a wife and all that too. Music na antina
was all like respect what's the winner.
Yes, I've so many things. I've lost respect, I've lost friends because of my passion for music and all that. But me do baby I'm a person me do. So that is one of the things that worry me all the time. In fact, sometimes I get depressed. Sometimes you feel like you have to stop and all that. But maybe my eye is on the goal. And to say whether say Jane me famu
before
say kind of be womu until we die we want to get there.
Like you bunya empire obedru because adebia one thing I mean in life you say adebia your passion and as adebia we ni je ho no. Ebefa one day because the way out to nyom nso no Charlie you be show na be man enyom ba ko na ye dey it aside we nyina no ebia ye to safro baby na call ya say dey me perform me palm music like enyum kra me trick am music me ni age ade na me ye no ho
a dozen but one that I always remember some time ago me nomination wakra Emerging Music Awards and me call me share the circle na me wom na I am odd, like I'm the kind of the only person outside Accra maba they nominated me Masa Winnie Award and when I won the award they boom me na initially no me call show ni say me ko perform nti proud to me performance no na ye boom me na me this pre-show rituals but me team I didn't even hear the category that I'm performing. I've won the award. Inti me call stage, me rush call stage. And me call stage, they presented the award to me. But me call a session of the audience were hooting at me.
Okay.
So when I grabbed the mic, they were like, "Where are you from?" Like Yawa.
Okay, yeah, I say.
So besides, wait, what song? And I'm saying, I'll perform the song. So you wait for me. Very soon I'll come on stage. To me backstage, because I won the award as against my favorites,
Okay.
No more bomb me away. Like no more bomb me away.
Was Ghana bad.
But and I'm Mike so messing me up.
Okay.
So I just told myself, Charlie, you make an impact. So I started performing. So it got to one of my songs. In fact, apart from them, all the other audience were just feeling my vibe. So like back and forth, and I do my song Oyale, and the song had the same concept. Say now I say over time.
Okay.
So when the people got the concept of the song and the other audience related to me better, they just started hooting at them.
Okay.
Until after my performance, that was my last song. So after my performance, and no there, me bomb and Nina, movie at Nasi feeling me vibe no, and it be so happy. Me pay na me the plaque na ekutra picture no. One of them hooting at me no. 3 of them approached me and said, "Boss, we are sorry." And that alone made me feel say no, Charlie, I've at least metimia I override it. I win and here bombing no. But apart from that, I've been on several stages. I am very proud. Semi was me performing. I'm so proud of myself. Like I went to City TV, the way I performed. I went to music. I went to perform at Alliance Française with about 60% above performing before them, and they loved my vibe. I remember I performed at Takrady, Vienna City, and after my performance, somebody from the audience came to dash me $100. And you so I don't be but I think say me feel it pa I felt say
I was not after the later on. Okay. What's a you think come be what can your be in music? What can say be or how share or now for the kind of respect that was say on the mountain or me farm. Inti say what share they can see be pa our life because of music.
Youngest, I mean, share what I'm losing. I always look at what I am gaining or what I'm going for.
Okay.
I've lost a whole lot. When you talk about things I've lost because of music, because initially, I'm a kind of my old folks. No more person me follow passion. No more me a bright school, so they wanted me to achieve academic laurels. I started a Juma as a teacher. No, all my money went into music. Until say what I lose is my money. Like I lose here, I have, but I mean when they say me lose here, investments na my and I've started reaping it, but I'm hoping it may reaping more.
Okay, seven day waka be brave, but you see you try your home na you buy you say you or down Eastern region, what is going on in the music, and you one or two things are like ABI, and it's a bit pushy or down. I had Nana Kwasi TV exclusive interview with achievers that was Sugusu, and then Ekow and a etching como. It's you try one by a body, the honor, ever sign at 2 hours so. Some of our beam say when you're train home, no train, sending come out to train a cost. Your brother come out, what can your mother be brave? You did not train come be brave. Music, no, and you must be brave in the womb, and yet easy to say, Ufitiana, because of our record label now, or you're recording back to back. Now, after the acquire, and you must be brave. I am a hard train. It's a call. You one or two things, babe. Music, atonyum. Onyum ben pa na wo say enyum we de atimi akopa.
Onyum akopa ye dom, which features Kessie.
Okay.
Dom, and they are akopa and they even now crown. And they are somebody also booking me for a wedding or person me performance and
okay.
I remember I said some time ago, so be friend for UK or say I should do a rendition of the song just for my wife. And I did it for him. Maybe like I said, that is my song. I heard so many songs before that song, and I heard so many songs after that song. But that particular song, I go for the kind.
And now, City TV.
I know I'm a feature Kese.
Okay.
Kese of Projects Film.
Yeah, okay. But they okay sa City TV no sa track no so you made that. Moon 7 no like any.
But me I'm a personal favorite. My personal favorite by was
okay.
If your problem be 99, thinking go make 100.
Okay.
That's my favorite song. And yeah, my favorite song say my favorite song, but the song that talks to me, like it talks to me. Me trust animal. No, I was in a very difficult situation.
Okay.
And at that time, no, that na makodi Accra na me also say me nya label for and you could baby, then you recorded for free. And all that, and I missed the problems. No, I had hope. Say after this wave, no, I am going to see some level of glory in my life. But it was not easy. And I joke now my record here will be and me come to casting my mind back to all the things I've been through because of music. And then that phrase, "It's your problem in 99, thinking go make 100." It popped up in my mind, so I wrote the song that night. That phrase generated the song.
Okay.
So, and that song too has taken me places. I remember the opportunity of performing in front of almost all the industry players in Ghana.
Okay.
And I didn't rehearse with the band, so I'm a very common rhythm to almost all bands. Until me catch someone more and in a specific key, and I used it to perform. After that, A.B. Krentel, the late A.B. Krentel, hugged me. He said, "I have a future." Musical president, Bessa Simons, he hugged me. Almost all the big guys, big men, in legends, and were very proud of me, and that song speaks to me. Anytime obi be my dear be share me so am me rebe hu bia
akoti ni muga ka there's a one of the plan bo so
thank you.
Okay it music no so far one plan of in Ghana your artist bebre mean to me mobodin your great artist bebre or about Samini din one plan of Felix say onini ye nyumu a wakoma beto ye man I say oh we there.
But I have personal favorite. Okay. Say Akwa Mishana na miro Fante. Na oho oba Fante. And see back in the day no na obo keyboard part. Na me question performance and some other guys. No Asa on the other day. But if I have Akwa on my song, I'll be very good. I'll be very like honored. But obi a mission pa Samini.
Okay.
But I have personal favorites. I like Amrado, I like Tiflo. But I have a song with Tiflo, I have a song with Amrado.
Okay.
I have Sarkodie, I like his vibe. I want to do something with him in the near future.
Okay.
Amudoso.
Say that kind of
Amudoso. Say Enyubia, say Enyubia ne Obia. Me say me yenyuma, me yenyumwe me tie no 1 2 3. Na say a deserving feature.
Okay.
I think of a particular artist. Into that artist name Baswa.
Onya dia be music. We how kwa. What's the only a din komo bebre me show we na me show we. Onyum ton one na ochro. And obi na choma na obi boa.
Oh, me the Muslim na me choma nyum. Me takra choma for.
Okay.
But me a ghost writer. So they don't know. I don't have to tell people who I write for, but I write a lot. Songwriting any idea give me time recording there me no be am bread when I am arranging songs say me ha na ebo beat na say bia o ka say kofi a then to no fa kofi ho a
no answer
ebe flow ni hian say ya ball record.
Okay.
Praise songwriting is not a difficult thing for me.
Okay.
But when I'm doing the only time they say bia beat now bono and inspiring and kicking me.
Okay.
Maybe more putting me off. I say me more year film and I say I'll work around it, but I wouldn't feel myself on the song.
Okay. It is studio recording or baby or recording and I say like wow place be a wow to me count on your mouth to me yes sound maybe be a
okay, me no. I feel I'm in my but me set up me I'm a personal
studio.
But I have me I'm my personal engineers. Me ni omu ye juma. There's a guy called Men's Beats, our crowd. Then Sunny Beats or Odaha, and Lonzy Beats and Freddy. Odaha, the people I record with. The first person on recording me Odaha, even Escobar.
Okay.
2 Chainz.
Escobar. Escobar dance school or called dance school. Yeah.
Only the first person on recording me.
Yeah.
Then to Kasapa.
Okay.
Kasapa be recording me for a time. Me cry no say me projects be on. I said I don't have a personal engineer and kasane Men's Beat and I press those beats or but I have people say be I say more niha so say me wa ha I record with Kasapa, Lonzy Beats and then Sunny Beats and Freddy so but I'm me no me ejuma kasa de Men's Beat and I press those beats.
Okay, Men's Beat baby I will be a chow. A chow pa obo ejuma pa ona obo aye brand man. Nti sisi ano so far no sisi anyum ben na wo dey ba like anyum ben na oye ho adwuma na sisi wa drop it na e bia followers and so mo so omo fellow vibes no anyum ben na sisi oye ho adwuma na aba.
Okay, currently me recent song I'm releasing here wo yale.
Okay.
I'm for say this song but I this song general song I'm be ma bia wo yale but I have 2 projects BT 3 years ago I've been working on them. EP and an album.
Okay.
The EP a friend on the Verge.
Okay.
On the Verge EP and my album is Different Shades of Marvel.
Okay.
Different Shades of Marvel. On the album you see me doing all the things I can do. The public knows me as a high life artist, but what they don't know is I do reggae, I do rap, I do hip hop, I do all genres. My album no so genre bia
it won't be
but EP is just a collection of songs that I have done for the period of 10 years now. I'm just using the EP to celebrate my 10th year anniversary. So very soon EP will be about 10.
It's share ni
before the year ends then
okay you better drop it. Okay, wow. On say me note ye din komo me hu say bodua bi kuta minim zebia we comfortable already
obi say ma kwaje do
minim say we comfortable already minim say na like kuko stage so oye nyoma guma like oye no like ma ashefo ehun there because most of the times you know ukra bibia obi person your brand and
okay true misano na me sakete na me sa culture dance
okay
na me sa culture dance
okay
na one of adia na me kura ya me fe pa ade we and we share Ghana history more and as a Ghanaian culture ade we one of the instruments of power say you see obi hene a ya hye na hincha na ya hye na hincha kra puna e ma no bodua ana say akofna and the che ni to me ba me media we there enye to me bia answer na me be use no me fasting 21 days answer na me use
okay
and enye say bia me de akoje adro bi oba bia na say something I want people to easily identify me because music now me any African music and so watch my style of dressing and some of the things I put on Africanism and I never come realizing they say the outside world no they like us to be African.
Okay.
Me kai say me call 3 music awards last 2022 so last year na mikita we ya na ma bomb CD bi da me kon ne ade brony be approaching me say he wants to take a picture with me because of the way I am dressed and I have had that several times. You only say it shows who I am. Me say people call me king, legend and all that.
Okay.
I just use this to prove say
okay.
Nana never.
Okay. Nana. We on your comfortable we are the brand. Like on also na be identify say okay. Nipa we and say this nipa san. Okay. Ya bon komo bibi achichin komo bebre. Yembra back to down here. If you come music there so far why you happen some of challenges being in or down here no most of times
okay Let me start from here. Because I originally me a Fante.
Okay.
Originally, say me am di kan kan.
Yeah.
A juma na dey en ba da
Okay.
na mabeka. Ti me starting yum professionally no. Me nua be a juma on radio station wo Cape Coast. Nti me ko started wo ho. I made a name for myself in Central Region industry. I still have a name there. They still play my songs. Sometimes they do a mitiminya shows or Ekow. But at some point in my career, no, me who say no. All the time, me feel down. And go for me, who me almost a guy with on the ticket of Central Region. To me, imagine say I would disassociate myself, me stripping me home of all the benefits I get from Central Region. Then come to Eastern Region. Say to Saint Crana, I'll play my quota to build the Eastern Region industry with the little experience that I have acquired over the years. Enti me sure odan one thing I high and I say Eastern Region basically they say omo ye ho na ye be fan say fan base no and I say indigenous no, they don't cherish our craft.
Okay.
Me obi every year be a me show. This year pen me person me hear me album release na me dey to aso. Me show. And sometimes who ye show na no be oh obi or dan ha. Onim say o musician. Well wo TV so ama ade a chia ma wa hia wa bisa. Eh challenge no me say you TV world, you music world, DSTV but ubo show say oba aba be supporting. Dey man. I remember say some time ago me show be me tia answer obi say or that dey show no amfa artist amba omo mba o.
Okay.
Artist ne hwan. Oh, me jina me artist ni bia. No. And sometimes what we do, what the area word dan no. Sometimes who they compare baby we do far better than them. But because we A-list artists in quotes and I say hate no, nobody respects the hustle. But them no say nipa no hustle through na say or break it through want to claim say
okay.
But a juma no very tiresome and some of these encouragement chale you we ebeba o dey on bampo the way only nipa no be kasa no be motivating say okay I have someone who looks up to me. Why but no normal say na medical kind no me I'm not looking at a jabi am fam and as can be a bit me gold near that's ro na me kofa ntinu me hwe so na so no yeso banum so na no me hwe chen so one this unity we have amongst artists, amongst labels, amongst artists and presenters, media, whatever. This unity we have. And Untina may organize this unity football match now.
Okay.
So that we all come together, may attack a problem. And I play blame games. And Koya artist say presenter. Presenters say artist. I business engineer.
Okay.
It's moon promoter. Oh, yenti adwuma na see to some level. And ye can so ye
okay.
You started can ODA to the world and nobody has been able to take an action. Okay. Say, oh, yeah, me your way I carry ODA to the world. But blame you. Okay. Say we and I blame you. And the people who are able to forget it, you know, me no. Near me feel that I no. Yeah, me na many aruzimu nana.
Okay.
But it got to a time me who said no. I had no utina hana yenyum na. We are better than spirit. Wow. And you know, I just broke through, went to Central. I made so would they just go to Central Region, Cape Coast, the capital of Central Region, or even anywhere in Central, mention my name. And that's how they just search Google. You can see my track record. That was Central Region. And I am proud. Me when said it was building me for a greater good. So when I had the experience, and yes, I took me feel for a good. Last week I was there. Me when he said I was made to make impact into the experience kakana menya for mainstream any hono. I'm just trying to use it to build a house because onipa bia I say jimpa I say so if I'm not making enough money to see bia na say I'm making an impact so baby am me circles more I'm okay with that.
Okay. Until what kind of artists are this year so far organize unity match? Now we can say artist Abraham presenter so Abraham engineer. So until then so far you bet me here we can say ODA to the world. So I say I say it me pushy because of that you won't come for Charlie. I'm a poor home yeah. I'm a year juma. Yeah. Boys are why near thing. Yeah. So
or down will be your down boy be an near. So I say me cry, me for more cry, more or down boys, I mean you know. So if you see the kind of things they are doing in Accra, young boy, age mates, you see say no, or down and no hard boys or hard.
So I say.
Me chawa no. Match ni there is just one side of the story.
Okay.
Me identify problems I mean a couple of people could be praised more black, a couple of guys you problems now. But you say you can't who boom answer.
Okay.
You better organize seminars, you better concerts, you better like social interventions. And I led a collection of artists. I led a team of artists. Yeah. The last clean up exercise end of month clean up exercise or municipality I led a group of artists could join here. We just want people to know say this caliber of people are here.
Okay.
That's what I say. So we want to bring everybody together, educate them on the need and I said human technicalities, and then we start projecting the artist one after the other. So even not one after the other, but at a go.
Okay.
Because me say me boa. My team Eastern region ma ko perform ma ko ha ma ko don ko krum ma ko ha ma ko so menya ma ko baby bebre. The kind of talent I mean who that krum ha no. Me who do baby.
Okay.
So with the right resources, there was a cafe Kumha. Say yema a Juman attractive as a cafone this kind of a baby Juman.
Okay, they will support
Nana Acquah.
Okay.
Because right from 2020, 2021, 22, 23, that has been in the news for several reasons. Positive ones, negative ones, and all that. Media dancing.
Yeah.
And it is good. And it is a sign, say, we have potential, we should project it.
Okay.
But waiting for somebody to do it. It's me no me to me when I know I will face a lot of insults and all that. But me dear was me no case they want to me feel. So I just want say we are me yeah. I will do it.
Yeah, Bonya Empire say you better nyoma biase ye ho no ene kromafo no so betimi atenyoma biase na yetimi aso senia wo oda ha na o support you obi a oni oda ha sans na do support kakrama de o oda ha na o push ya think say ye nyina kro no ye ma ye nyina enye ma ba ko fon ko itimi hu sa we na I was very happy pa na mani age say wutimi organize sa de because senia wo kan you can say when you pa edoso pa say anka bia ye na ya de na ye na de adwin be because most of the times me can say Kumasi or say crew for industry say wo na no omo ye united omo come home
and yes entokwa ni ho
entokwa but omo ye nyoma out say wait me push we no we push we kaka we it's a ma almost that bia no like who say what Kumasi dey oh ebi artist we free ha movie star we free ha it ye hia say senior wo kana yenso ye bebo nya empire say yenso ye dey yes support yenso dey bebo because Nana Kwasi TV I just say yenso ye person dey wo odan krum a bia ye person enkofo nso timi hu say we na wo odan krum a obi so dey ne mo a ana so okay ma me so me pia ni personals we me pia ne ko artist it nyame sha for adwempa wanya fa kruduan ba ye bo nyame empire say nyame be ya adom na visions ni na about one after the other ye bo nyame empire
me bompa say be aduma because my days in central music me kai say they pay us for shows.
Okay.
Me have collected so much money in central region when it comes to my performance and now still the boys are taking money. Recently I went the guy back home. They charge who friend show or how or te kwa uhunu ha. But I remember some time ago Shatawale bar the boat show.
Okay.
And the chroma phone a board said, Omanfa artist
yeah.
A, B, C,
yeah.
and to swear they will not show up. And they didn't show up.
Okay.
They won't show up. But you will not see that in order. Obey artist, obey show no. Or expect to say some of artist neighbor. Okofa artist neighbor na. Or expect to be some boni free. You understand? Yen can be. Yen say bedroom.
Okay. You show music in the 5 years, 10 years. And funny expect big brand.
Yeah. Maybe there send me a seminar show O2 Arena na me koba. That is my pen like whatever else I could do because me saw me did 15 16 years and I'm at O2 Arena in London 20,000 capacity.
Okay.
And we've seen artists feel that aside that me no music na me no do sika no here. But they ba kwa me and say me pese sa achede na Nyankopon dey ama me me use for so many years now. Me dey impact into lives. Into say nyame adom na say me first one me nya music. Me timi di see school dan bi. Me timi di tua abofra bi school fees.
Okay.
Ana obi yare ohia sika koye operation. Me timi yesa na me do me ye but na me ye no.
Who say
me hu ni say esua.
Oye bi ka ho.
Ha me pese me ye more. But I person me can say if I'm able to do those things, me or specific things be a market cartoon. Say me to me yes I did now. I've achieved it. Aside that popularity in the 5 years ahead, I'll definitely have dropped my second album.
Okay, now one guy what call musician, music instrument ben when you
oh,
because music the last time me bar rumor.
Yeah,
sorry. I said there was Saint. I had any
Our Lady of Fatima.
Fatima and
All Saints.
All Saints, yeah. The last time about me say all conducting, I say
me wow. Master. Me Ekow master.
Okay.
Because I'm my founder of Ekow.
Okay.
Me music director for many choirs.
Okay.
But because I'm me Juma Our Lady of Fatima.
That's all the music in the one. You see, that's all conducting like music instruments ben when you
oh. Me akasa instruments there. Na me a cultural person. Me board drums.
Okay.
But book keyboard so
kaka. Emu aden pa.
Oh. I'm not an instrument person.
Okay, because
I am surrounded by instrumentalists.
Okay.
Inti my mama so me lazy say maybe we did that.
Okay,
but as a musician you need to play. I play so only attentive.
Yeah.
I play attentive. My music, my music da. And music student we have because attentive. Once I keyboard that definitely.
And I said trumpet,
okay. Those kind of stuff.
Okay. Because my director say oh no book keyboard my back at that me side na sa strings na show was there or the tough ones hallelujah sa Lord yakub easy
but instrument I'm fancy pa me person musician boss is here saxophone.
Okay.
I've already made arrangements and me start classes very soon and then me fancy but the other ones no me share the basics of it for the purpose of my juma as a choir master no. But I normally don't practice more of the time and I'm a vocalist. So
okay. And come to China the year pan na ye pese edwuma di ni ba na we ye dey be do proposal. You say e futuo nsemben. And ade be ma ye nuanom a omo ba am pese omo wura music in the and say any baby ani panel finding ho say me pese me ye e futuo nsemben na ade ma ye nuanom omo.
Okay, maybe a photo asema me a crime for so many years. And he said, make your passion your profession.
Okay.
And family yeah, oh yeah. Just build on yourself. Because maybe you'll be a say me ba wani men now disrespecting me.
Okay.
Me need problem. The next time I will be share me you can't disrespect me because still now me dey ban. you wouldn't have the chance to disrespect me. I always want to build upon myself.
Okay.
Me person metnas ya say Ekow Marvel. Oh, Ekow Marvel. Oh, no, we need 3 music awards. Me na down. No, awards. One of them multimika. I'm not in for awards. Sometimes those awards in Boko, I don't even share their flag. I don't even vote. I want people to vote for me.
Okay.
So hold on, me I know what to am. And me can say, pray, manifest, thank God, and then repeat that cycle. Bompire, na ye juma. No matter what I want, you juma. Let it happen. Manifest it.
Okay.
Then thank God for the success that you get after manifesting what you have prayed for. And then repeat the cycle. And that costs us for the rest of your life. When you see success, and only my mantra. Don't let, if somebody disrespects you, go build yourself, come back again. You will not have the chance to disrespect you again. Make your passion your profession. Pray, manifest, thank God, and repeat that cycle.
How your brother can now say Bibia you be a vampire boy in the when na ade na o ye no wan kasa value say we na me pese me ye Nyankopon so be hye ne ho anyunyam na ye anyunyam hye na ye kese ama wan kasa Ekow ye dwumadi no ye ende ano but I have my last question for you. As I say your platform be so branding here.
Oh yeah, branding here because if you are a musician, one, you are a product.
Okay.
You render service. So as a product, opposite obitwa also package product. So called Kanta for umpita antaria force but the way our packaging only the way obey your obeto. So I just say oko obi oton sobolo e hu ne ma ye ton ojomo eko obeko na ma ne de tete form but oje bibia wi na the good bottle nice some no the yeah the sticker tally home packaging is nice. We a musician you have to package yourself. Who sell your product, package your product. And yet Maminka, some people have seen branding say you have to wear expensive clothes.
Okay.
No. Branding makes you stand out.
Wow.
Branding will make you stand out from the lot. Will be a rapper.
Okay.
And a branding is not only about your outlook, the kind of songs that you do, the how you carry yourself about. There were artists be who branding who say street boy. The dressing a street boy for dressing. Untimi can't just artist is only serious because only the target audience and all year jumana. And I make say music is also services. Ti who render services that ni na branding can ho. Oza wo ye ni ye sene be ya obi foforo obi robeka akodi hu dance here na obi foforo so abe foul.
Okay.
So branding is very important. But branding is a holistic term that needs more
time to.
But what I want to say is it's not only about wearing expensive clothes, borrowing to buy expensive watches and then whatever. I'll share me Marvel City. Me brand and me label me anga me manage and me body obi anim say oh Acquah no Peter body but but when we say you see branding, so you know what you are giving out. But sometimes he doesn't even know his target audience. But branding is a holistic phenomena. Also a shiny but in here say we are artists also who say we a product and outside render services. So you package your product well and then you render your services with top-notch delivery. Send a buyer marketing now when you have more customers. Yes.
Okay. So with social media handles, maybe you beat me a follow.
Okay. Maybe Ekow Marvel now. Okay. EKOWMARVEL. But TikTok any Twitter and IG Ekow _Marvel.
Okay.
And a Facebook and Marvel. Ekow Marvel. Okay,
Ekow, you better say, you better say nyamisha. Who phobia betcha mo baby.
Oh, Mamicha, Marvel Citizens Worldwide. Facebook and WhatsApp group you guys have been very, very supportive. Me music and me mom. Me pemo. Also for be a pedom.
Okay.
Me invite. Wow, share me. I will feeling me. Come join me. They search Marvel Citizens Worldwide, and I say Ekow Marvel. Now they follow me. Now I say, oh, me share my family, and then the management, Marvel City Entertainment, myself, Charlie, and then one kind of thing. I share with you. Just marvelous. And Nana Kwasi TV. Mon subscribe to Nana Kwasi TV. Oh boy, Juma. Oh YouTube. Just marvelous.
Contact. So be here for program.
I say I hope it's all booking me for sure. I'll be to me for 055 3379 187. Now I'm penny for Akasa. And I say 0546 306 781. Any of the numbers so far in bidding common. Yes, marvelous.
And I was so bad. I'm sure now you're guessing. Yo, nyado for dwumadi to say ye wo aboafo bi o mo so yase emiadi dwumadi ebremo ye ka se nyame hwam no mo nyam kese no for mo fi adum kwa adum mo no mo support ye me di dwumadi ahoro health doctor joint exclusive interview omo no mo boy Nana Kwasi on the street omo no mo boy me di se dwumadi e de baso nene o hwe ma ho fa maya the way am ho aye fei ene me shirt e shemi o pebe bia benya bia homeboy collections ewo Ekow down helping cancer bron sankesi nim store number 23 owo mpaboa horo watches tade bia person di ko program bia wo Ghana fana bia drivi papa omo no mo ye fa number we na free homeboy 0246 928 107 0246 928 107 free homeboy and tade horo opa Ekow down baby abenya ntade ne mpaboa horo ana say shop a ye kese wa Ekow down e homeboy ko omo heaven cancer say na American heaven cancer store number 3 store number 23 hono mo and I show you what oh your wedding engagement birthday party your door event and unless any rentals omo Ekow down say deco ahoro papa enkunya ahoro we hwe door event Anes obehuom na neoma di adwuma sonkoso omo Ekow down Methodist bookshop eni omo this sawoso carpet ahoro green carpet red carpet yellow carpet blue carpet the ope bia decoration nso kama pa o your wedding na me director enche obeware a door event Anes and yes adwuma di no e man odebi enche obeware 2023 December enche obeware it's your door event and this adwuma di ni na e man fa number we o Ekow down and in pattern the Eastern regional we door event Anet we Odan branch me bom number no from number near 0594 421 008 0594 421 008 and 0542 266 568 for number na frame and your colors digital and embroidery ahoro papa the oba Ekow down in pattern mo colors na or photo shoot outdoor and indoor t-shirt ahoro o the bar here embroidery papa ombeye hu adwuma e de amount or Ekow down Liberty opposite Kenop Pharmacy e hona colors digital studio and embroidery hono mo hwehwe mo na nyomu this sawoso number near 0245 colors studio and digital embroidery Ekow down open embroidery papa t-shirt ahoro de hwehwe colors Ekow down Liberty opposite Kenop Pharmacy for number we na free 0245 276 638 0245 276 638 colors studio and digital embroidery hwehwe mo Ekow down and your boss hair palace Ekow down Old Town the Point Road o hwe se nyam ho aye fe ya boss hair palace ene ayi mitri ama me ho aye akono iti program bi apeso ye mo sheda ahoro colors open green red yellow blue opese omo yes sporting ways ma hwe boss hair palace Ekow down Old Town the Point Road phone number we na free 0244 038 030 232 0244 030 232 omuni aboafo a omoboya se ope tomna papa edia ayo breakfast a ye wo tomna ahoro ye wo egbegbemi ye wo akpelekoko Regina Delicious Tom Round omo akemoda hwehwe om na ni om di ensawo so fa number we na frɛ 020 68 10388 fa number we na frɛ na sa fa number we 0558 525 819 omo ne aboafo a omo boa ye ma ye di dwumadie no ebrem ye ka se nyame nhyiamo for your support wa wo hwe dwumadie nyame nhyiamo no fa free adumu ekɔ adumu exclusive interview with achievers enne aha ne ye di dwumadie ne brem e wo homeboy shop e ho ne ye di dwumadie brem me da maboafo me directors cameraman lights sound me ka se nyame nhyiamo me da crew members ni na ase me na me di dwumadie brem ye frɛ Nana Kwasi Acquah da se ne ye besa ne mu ahia